This is to demonstrate how to perform the Malaya Neck Dissection technique. It's a popular indication in selective and comprehensive neck dissection. After an appropriate head positioning, first mark the mastoid tip. Second, angle of the mandible. Thirdly, lower border of the mandible. Next is mental prominence. Further down to mark thyroid notch and cricoid indentation. Then mark the sternal notch and trace the clavicular line up to the meeting point with the trapezius muscle. Later, draw the Birran incision. The incision starts at the mastoid tip and continues down to the cricoid point on the skin crease. Then, it goes up to the mental prominence. This Birran incision offers wider coverage for majority levels of the lymph nodes. The marginal mandibular nerve is easily identified via Birran tri-segment.